Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today I want to talk about my passion for tape decks and, if you feel that way inclined, how you can get a tape deck of your own. This is what started it all. Underneath our bed I found a box full of recorded tapes, mixed tapes, and some original tapes I hadn't heard for years. So what to do? At the time I had a tape deck, but it didn't work, and I managed successfully to damage it so much that I couldn't repair it. There are new tape decks on the market, as you can see here. You can still buy brand new tape decks. They all have a pretty decent mechanism. There are reviews on YouTube if you're interested, but you have to cough up 450 or 340 euros for such a wonderful gadget. You can pay 140 if you're satisfied with a tape deck of lesser quality, which for basic uses is fine. If you have 1,000 euros, you can get an old classic, or you could study eBay Kleinanzeigen and find cheaper models. But the cheaper models usually have one disadvantage, that is that they're broken or they don't work too well. So if you want to make sure that you get a tape deck that works fine, you usually have to pay between 40 or 80 euros, depending on the model and the specifications. What I usually do is I study the classifieds and look out for models that have the additional information that they are not running well or that they're broken, because in, I'd say, 80 to 90% of all cases, the belts have gone. Tape decks are mechanical instruments with cogs and with keys and things that are driven by a motor. The motor is connected to a rubber belt, and the belt is connected to all the little mechanical components. So if you are brave, you can find all the information you need on repairing tape decks on the internet. You can download basically all service manuals. You can check YouTube. You can find lots of YouTubers who already repaired tape decks, and then you can go out and get new belts. For the tape deck in the video I repaired, the Sony TCK490, I got a pair of new belts, and after fitting the new belts, the old tape deck, which was made until 1994, is running again. So if you want to breathe new life into a tape deck, you don't want to spend so much money on buying a brand new one, go and look at the classifieds, get yourself an old used tape deck, check out the forums, YouTube and forums on the internet on how to fix them, or ask someone you know, and you have masses of fun, because today tape decks aren't built to the specs and to the quality they used to be. So I hope you enjoyed my little video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. That would be very much appreciated. So until next time, thanks for watching and goodbye.